think we are going to have the report of activities of Indian Medical Association for the last 1 year. And Dr. Award is going to present. Please get seated.
Respected Dr. Martin Pillai, our National President, Dr. S.S. Agarwal, our incoming President, and other distinguished guests. Before I present to you the report, annual report of Indian Medical Association, I will first like our National President to reveal a poster which talks about 15 different achievements which we have achieved in the last 1 year.
One more.
Ladies and gentlemen, you all have been given the annual reports. The annual report is in the IMA News, which talks about 1,000 activities which Indian Medical Association has done in the last 1 year. It also talks about all the legal work done by our legal team under the guidance of our National President. These are again 100 pages booklet which is being provided to all of you. And not only we are getting the print, we are also getting a CD. The CD contains all the videos in the PDF format. The agenda contains all the work done by our office bearers. The matter of reporting, all our links, all the things are there in our agenda book. And this is the book, a copy of which has been given to you in the CD. And this contains more than 2,000 press reportings of Indian Medical Association. And you can see that the whole thing is 1,000 pages, media reporting on Indian Medical Association. So I'm talking about the year 2014 and 15. It will not be possible for me to cover in the next few minutes. So I'm only going to talk about few headings. The rest of all, you will have the books with you, you should be able to read. And we have been talking about it in our virtual Central Council and virtual working committee on a daily basis. We have been communicating to you on everything what we have been doing. 148 people of medical professionals, they are no more with us, but 9,512 new members have been added to IMA. So almost 10,000 members have been added to IMA this year. Our first office bearers meeting, our first president secretary meeting, our first working committee, our first branch with president and secretary meeting, and the central council meeting is being held in Delhi. So we have done a lot of meetings in Delhi this time. When Modi ji launched Digital India, simultaneously we also launched Digital IMA. We have tried to be as much paperless as possible. 39,52,266 SMS during the year. To the extent that every half an hour, 1 hour, you might be getting an SMS what is happening in the Central Council. 74 crores email connect. 281,568 virtual Central Council members connecting 2,514 members on a daily basis. 7 e-IMAs, 5 e-GMA, 19 new e-initiatives on IMA website, 23 locations video CME connecting 744 doctors, 25 webcasts, now this has become 25 webcasts connecting 28,746 doctors, 1 telemedicine camp with 100 consultations. So we have tried to do as much as possible, and we have tried to do IMA as much digital as possible. And today's Central Council is being live webcast, and you can open your IMA website or any Access website, and you can see the proceedings live. Press coverage: 403 press releases, 1 international press release. Total clippings are 1,614 with a PR value of more than 19 crores. There is a way of calculating PR value. If we have to this news or given in the form of a page, it would have costed the IMA 19 crores. We did one international press conference in Nepal, the National President Address, and we have many celebrities during the year. And tomorrow we will have at least 7 or 8 celebrities coming in to address our Central Council and interacting, including 5 million ministers tomorrow. IMA One Voice. This was the slogan given by our national presidents that we should have one voice. 30 press conferences in one day on 1st July. With 238 press coverage of single day, single issue with a PR value of more than 28 lakhs. Then 31 press insertions in one day, press releases in one day, with on mission clean with a walk with an event on 33 locations, again with a PR value of more than 53 lakhs. Community service. In association with other NGOs, IMA helped 74 heart patients of free surgeries, 287 free OPD patients at headquarters, 20 lakhs medicines worked through Jan Aushadhi Kendra, 20,475 blood components across India by all the branches together, 2 health camps in UP, 1 in Haryana with Punjab Kesari, and 1 health camp in Parliament, which was commented by 25 members of Parliament. We did a lot of health exhibitions. You can see even outside, lots of exhibitions done by IMA. We put our exhibitions at Parliament, schools, Perfect Health Mela. We have created 20 health games, and we had 100 holdings on Delhi and Indian Oil Corporation in the city of Delhi. We have 2 quota cabins made in IMA headquarters for educational programs, and we have lots of activities in association with other NGOs in Perfect Health Mela. No polio case, no neonatal tetanus case during the year, so we did participate and made sure that Government of India project of no polio and no neonatal tetanus is successful. In international way, we had UNESCO chairs this year, bioethics chairs. Our national president is the first chair on bioethics. We have WMA president who is going to take over next year, Dr. Ketan Desai. We have 2 ethics committee members in World Medical Association. We have chairman constitution set in Simao, and we have advisors Simao from India, from our Indian Medical Association, apart from some of our office bearers at Commonwealth Medical Association and other associations. There are lots of events which we have done. I am not enumerating because events are done at every level. A unique thing we did was 7,204 in the city of Delhi. 100% police from PCR van now are trained by IMA on first aid. That means if somebody dies, if somebody has a cardiac arrest, they can dial 100. The police PCR van will reach and they will give a cardiopulmonary resuscitation. And police has already given us 22 success stories so far that because of our training, the police personnel have been able to revive 22 people in the last 6 months. In the field of IMA, Jima is back. 7 IMA news, which was bi-monthly, now we have made it monthly. 6 agenda books, 44 white papers. We have done a lot of researches. IMA has always been, people have been talking about IMA doesn't do research. We are now entering into lots of research and the results are now coming. We have checked the level of radiations in 100 hospitals in the city of Delhi where towers have been put. We have done 1200 vitamin D levels of pediatricians. We have done 1000 levels of public lead levels. Then we have done 1200 pediatricians across country. We have tapped water to find out the level of lead. We have checked the sound levels of 100 medical centers in the city. And we have checked 30 levels of pollution in the city in various hospital setups. What is the level of pollution? In what level we are working? All the results should be available because now we are in the compiling stage. So 10 researches we have completed over the last 1 year. We did a child sexual abuse survey because we are working with UNICEF for 1300 youth members. And we were astonished to see that the level of awareness is not very high. Most of us sitting here may not be aware that not reporting a suspect case of child sexual abuse is a medical negligence and you can be punished, you can be in prison. I am not talking about reporting child sexual abuse, I am talking about suspected case of child sexual abuse. We created a lot of public health campaigns on flu, dengue, breastfeeding, TB, CSA in the form of various types of formulas. What many days, like TB day, World Heart Day, Environmental Health Day, we try to create a module. We are not competing with the states, but we are forming a module which can be replicated by different states. That means school program, college program, nursing program, paramedic program, doctors program, GPs program, public health, media sensitization, ODA for the same event at the same time on the same day. We asked the government of Delhi to give us 700 saplings and we started distributing it instead of bouquets with that. We are covering a lot of schools in association with our field branches to talk about on various health issues. We did start motivational lectures with His Excellency A.R. Kohli, Ravi Malik gave one of them, our Joint Secretary Dr. Pillai gave one motivational talk, I gave a motivational talk, Dr. Pratap Singh Reddy gave a motivational talk during the year. CME, we have a new model. Sanjay, that model, CME model. Can you just that's CME model, yes or no? Yes or no? Statistics. Right away. After this, I am going to take 5-10 minutes. We have acquired a different model for continuing medical education and we are going to show it to you. And I feel every state branch should either buy it or go buy it with us. And we should be able to conduct our CMEs using that model. And this model, you will be given a small computer in your hand and you will be able to say yes or no and the statistics will come here. Whatever you want, the statistics will come here. That's a new model we have tested and headquarters has acquired that model for conducting CMEs for doctors with that. We have trained 16,396 patients in tuberculosis and sensitized 1,15,079 patients and over 1,00,000 TB notification has been done by Indian Medical Association and we have trained 900 doctors in child sexual abuse. The new concept IMA started was the concept of social advertisement. On breastfeeding day with Johnson & Johnson, we created a joint social ad in 14 editions of Times of India, worth costing 70 lakhs commercial value, where IMA and created our ad was given by them, released by them in public interest. Similarly, this year, a week back, the Income Tax Department all over the country has inserted an advertisement with an appeal from the National President and HSG that not paying your taxes in time is injurious to your health. So IMA has appealed to everybody to pay taxes in time. So Government of India released that ad at a national level in every newspaper. And if I would have gone into the PR value of that, that would be in crores. Government of India, in their 2 TP advertisements during the year, acknowledged specifically the role played by the Medical Association. Similarly, the Government of India TP book has given us 2 pages to talk about what IMA has done in the field of tuberculosis. Then many other social advertisements we have brought in with Center for Science, with Kent and other people, where IMA's message has been sponsored by other people. IMA is there. If you go to the IMA today, if you just go to Google and put IMA in inverted commas, you will get how much it is going to cost? 23 crores inserts you will be able to get. At international level, RNPCP project is under renewal. Clinton Foundation, we are reviewing our project. And in the field of social media, we are there in Facebook, Twitter, IMA has an official blog, and everywhere we have presentation, we have our presence well. I am still concerned about it because if all of us work together, we should be able to have 1 million likes on our Facebook, but today we have still only 50,000. So our Facebook is not as prominent as it should be. We have a new rent agreement at the headquarters, which is earning us 13.5 lakh per month at the headquarters level, which takes care of most of our expenses. We have 25 different renovations in IMA buildings. We have 75 grievances solved by our grievance cell. 1 election dispute settled, 15 RTI filed and the answers got, and 38 new agreements with all our government and non-governmental organizations. 2 of them will be signing tomorrow. We have contributed 40 lakh rupees medicines to Nepal disaster. We took a delegation, our national president went with our delegation, and we gave it to Nepal Medical Association. 40 lakhs contribution got medicines, which IMA gave it to them. And then our contribution of 5 lakhs to Chennai flood recently. New state Telangana, 5 new branches, 4 new wings, Aao Gaon Chale, Welcome the Girl Child, grievance cell, pension scheme and health scheme. We did lots of activities on IMA Swasth Bharat area. We have new IMA days to be celebrated, 24th of March as Telemedicine Day and 27th of July as IMA CPR Day, the day our President of India died, and 14th of November we want to observe as Child Sexual Abuse Awareness Day. 25 different legal issues solved, all of them you will see in the book which has been issued. 59 meetings were attended personally by National President and 58 by myself. And I can tell you one thing, only one thing about my National President. I asked him once that there is a meeting, he says I am coming. So he reached there at 11 o'clock, at 6 o'clock he says I am going. I said, why are you going? He said, in the night I have to operate 2 neurosurgery patients. I said, what about tomorrow's meeting? He said, I will be there back. Flying 5 hours, I will be back. And that's the level of commitment he has. So he personally attended most of the meeting. We have raised 33 issues, which include 3 with LCI and 3 with IRDA. All of them are not enumerated because they are there in the books. On the same day, they are there in the book. We have interaction with Member of Parliament. With 32 Member of Parliament, we have interacted. We did 2 signature campaigns. Satyagraha, which was signed by 46,252 doctors, and ART signed by 8081 doctors. I am not talking about what we have done in our inter-ministerial meeting in Satyagraha, because that is going to be the subject of discussion for the next 2 hours. Therefore, that I am leaving to the President in great detail we are going to discuss about our demands of Satyagraha. We have 16 new initiatives, 18 new projects. We have all the time event management, webcast, website, layout publication, etc. We have 3 new categories of awards instituted this year on Doctors' Day, Teachers' Day, and Women's Day. Constitutional meetings, we have 2 working committees, 1 President Secretary meeting and 1 Central Council. Extra meetings, we had 1 extra President Secretary meeting in Mumbai, 1 branch President Secretary meeting in Manesar, and 1 past President's meeting and 1 past HSG's meet. All the HSGs of the past we have done 1 meeting to take their advice. We have done 2 CAMC meetings. CAMC is Association of all other medical associations, and we have done 2 of them at IMA. And we have partnership with government on NTB strategy, trivalent to bivalent polio switch, zinc in ORS, etc. We have interacted with our Attorney General twice, once in our working committee and second in a 1-hour live webcast. And that was instrumental in bringing a pressure to the government and bringing that inter-ministerial meeting. We are working with NCI on many amendments. We have proposed many amendments to the government in various sections. For the first time, you will have, not first time in Delhi at least, you will have our health minister today hosting a tea party at 5 o'clock. At 4 o'clock, we will depart and then we go to the health minister and he is going to host a tea party to all of us. And we have a couple of activities with Ethiopia Medical Association when they visited Delhi. There are lots of unresolved issues. I am not touching them. Our national president, this is going to be the forum for discussion today. All unresolved issues which we are supposed to now take over for the next year. So, just to summarize, the things can be summarized with this. If I have to enumerate only 15 achievements of Team IMA, I am not talking about my achievements or Mathanga's achievement. Team IMA means all of us. We are the Central Council is the collective consciousness of the medical profession. All of us together have been able to achieve digital IMA, 2 interministerial committee, 3 IMA NABH accreditation. Now with NABH we have been able to sign an agreement. Now IMA Hospital Board of India is the official accreditation facilitation body for medical establishments. That's a major achievement we were able to do. IMA One Voice, multi-locations, multiple events, same time, same day. IMA Social Advertisement, I've already talked about Government Income Tax Act. GIMA is back. Rupees 40 lakhs drugs donated to Nepal victims. Jan Aushadhi Kendra at IMA. UNESCO chairs in IMA for the first time. 100% Delhi PCR trained in CPR 10. IMA was in the news every day. If you see the clippings, not even a single day when the newspapers did not carry the news about IMA. New CME model, we are just going to see. Dr. B.C. Roy Awards have been reinstituted. We have been after them for the last many years, and Dr. B.C. Roy Award has been reinstituted this year. Next July, you will have last 6 or 7 years. From 2008, all the awards will be instituted. IMA is one of them. We have been following. We have filed many RTIs. Why this is not happening? ESI medical colleges were shutting down, and we pursued. We went to the Parliament Committee. We wrote to Prime Minister and everybody. We also have played a little bit role in making sure that ESI medical colleges doesn't get stopped. Renovated building and website. These are the 50 take-home messages which all of us can be proud of. Being a member of Indian Medical Association. I'll take another 5 minutes. All of you have been given a small gadget. IMA has acquired 100 of them. We have acquired 100 such gadgets. The cost of this, the total system is less than 2 lakhs. So in 2 lakhs, every state branch can buy this gadget. You can further negotiate with them because we have negotiated only for 100. If you are negotiating for multiple, they can further come down to the cost. Now this you can use in all your CMAs. Say for example, if I ask you a question And if the question's answer is yes by everybody, I don't need to discuss it. If the answer to that is 90%, then I should spend only 10% of my time in discussing it. But if the answer is 0, that means nobody knows that answer, then I need to discuss it in great detail. And that's the new CME model. Now, first question. Now, my first question is, saturated fat is more harmful than trans fat. True or false? If it is true, you pick one. Yes, one. One and two. So just okay, just open it.
Using the red button. There is a timer over there. You start that, and the countdown begins 15, 14, 13. Then you're supposed to reply. Give your options, option number 1 or 2. Just press 1, 2, whichever you feel is correct.
Press the red button to start. Red button.
Just press the red button to get your remote numbers. After that, when the countdown timer starts over there, just answer or press 1 or 2, whichever option you feel is the correct option. That's it. Asrati, can you start?
Start.
Yeah, started now. Just your answers 1 or 2.
1 or 2.
Within that time period only, just press 1 or 2.
So
70 people have given answer as 1, and 26 people have answers in option 2.
So 70 people have said that saturated fat is more harmful than trans fat. Now in the CME model, because more number of people have said yes, which is wrong. Therefore, I need to spend couple of minutes why it is wrong. If everybody would have been corrected yes, I would have gone to the next question. Now trans fat reduces HDL, increases LDL. Saturated fat only increases LDL, does not reduce HDL. Therefore, trans fat is more harmful than saturated fat. The number one killer in our country is trans fat and not desi ghee. If there is a choice between desi ghee and a trans fat, then prefer a desi ghee. But if there is a choice between an oil and a desi ghee, then prefer an oil. That's how the CME helps. Otherwise, if I ask you to raise hands, half of you will not. But now nobody knows. So I got the correct picture. The majority of you are not aware about the answer. I'll take another 3 or 4 questions to finish it up. The switchover date from trivalent to bivalent polio vaccine is 26 April. True 1, false 2.
Asrati, can you please start? Timer has started now. Please answer 1 or 2.
Go back. Go back. आपने क्वेश्चन चेंज कर दिया सीधे. The switchover date from trivalent to bivalent polio vaccine is 26 April.
Started now.
Then what is the correct date? Anybody? My purpose of giving this question is, in the year 2014 we have switched. We have added IPV at 3rd dose at 14th week, and now we are shifting from trivalent to bivalent vaccine. Prescribing trivalent vaccine after 25th of April will be a crime. It is not 26, I purposely made it 1 day ahead. So the message to go is that government is shifting from trivalent to bivalent. After April, no trivalent vaccine will be available. Next question. Platelet transfusion is not indicated in dengue fever unless there is active bleeding and platelet count is less than 10,000. Yes or no?
Countdown has started.
1 is yes, 2 is no. Now people have said correct answer, 4 have not. So I don't need to waste my time in explaining it. Everybody knows. That's how the CME model helps. In which question I should spend time, in which question I should not. I don't have to explain. 4 people who have answered no would know the answer by now. Last, one more. If there is no fever, flu can be ruled out. No fever, no flu. That means in flu, whether fever is a must or not. Can you have flu without fever? This is general formula. Yes or no? So 56 people says if there is no fever, flu can be ruled out. Only 12 people have done it wrong, so this is correct. So majority have said yes, so no further discussion. That's my CME model. And in between, after every few hours, we will have 4 or 5 as a fillers, these questions. We have done a lot of questions, we'll do it as a filler. For the time being, you can return your pieces to the people, and then they will give it back to you. But at the moment, they belong to them. So by mistake, you should not be able to go. So, ladies and gentlemen, I thank my national president, Dr. Martindra Pillai, for giving me this opportunity, and the collective consciousness of all of you to have given me this opportunity to work for Team INA. Whatever I could do, I've done my best. Thank you very much.
Thank you.